Welcome to Product Spotlight. I'm Dr. John Heiss, Director of Sports and Fitness at Herbalife and lead scientist behind our Herbalife24 products. Herbalife24 is a complete performance nutrition program that meets the needs of athletes 24 hours a day. When developing Herbalife24, we were determined to find new ways to help athletes get the most from their training and recovery. An often overlooked and underutilized portion of an athlete's day is their sleep. In fact, these are some of the most important hours for anyone, because this is when the body has the opportunity to restore itself and fully recover from a strenuous day. Restore is a capsule that can be taken before sleep when the body's natural recovery mechanisms are already heightened. Restore acts in 3 ways. It helps combat exercise-induced inflammation, provides antioxidants, and helps support the immune system. 3 key elements essential for proper recovery from the stresses of training and competition. The key ingredient in Restore that helps ease inflammation associated with exercise is curcumin, a compound found naturally in the spice turmeric. Curcumin has long been used to assist the body's natural recovery processes. Restore also contains extracts from the fruits emblica and elderberry, both of which provide stable and potent antioxidants. Restore delivers vitamin C as well as beta-carotene, both of which have been shown to help support the immune system. When combined with adequate rest, these ingredients provide additional support to help you stay healthy. With Restore, you can now take full advantage of your sleep. You can try Restore and all of our great Herbalife24 products by ordering today from an Herbalife independent distributor. Thanks for watching.